So what do I think about egg freezing? As one of the pioneers of egg freezing in its inception, I think it's one of the greatest things that's ever come to my fertility because it really offers people what we call preventative care. Medicine does a couple of things really well. It predicts the future. You go to a doctor, you figure out what's going on, you figure out what's going to happen. You have high blood pressure, you know that treating it can prevent diseases from happening. In essence, that's preventative medicine. A lot of infertility is reactive. You have a problem, you try to go on, you can't get pregnant, you have anxiety, all of this type of things. How can we prevent that from happening? Egg freezing is really the answer. It allows people to take their potential to make embryos for the future and freeze that. It's kind of like a savings account for your body. We are very, very centric about treating women. In essence, what we do with that is we can freeze those eggs so that we can use them in the future. So having 4 children and 3 daughters, again, women are in my life everywhere, not only at work, but at home. And my daughters all want to have careers. My 2 oldest daughters have frozen their eggs, and it gives them freedom. What kind of freedom? It gives them the freedom to go off and deal with their career without having to worry about whether or not they can have a family later on. If you look at studies, a lot of women make career choices, not only about the best job, education, things that they need to do, but family is always an important part of that. And for some people, they may choose another path because they want to have a family. In essence, egg freezing gives you the ability to have both works. The ability to do the career you want to do the things you want to do, delay things without having to worry about the sacrifices that you might have and the consequences of those sacrifices. Egg freezing is your savings plan for your reproductive health for the future and the ultimate preventative care.